Well, a Foley artist is somebody that creates sounds for motion pictures. You might not know this, but in every movie you go and see, every sound is made in a studio like this. Screeching tires, somebody slamming a door, or in my case, balls smacking against a chick's ass. The first movie I did sound for, my girlfriend at the time's uncle. He was in the business, and he owned a little rinky-dink strip club outside Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and they did a lot of, low-budget stuff there, where they were, just doing some stuff on, like, high 8. And I was like, I could really improve the quality of this. I do porn sounds as a hobby. And wouldn't you know it, he was like, give it a shot, and brought out the mayo, the pickle, and next thing you know, I'm fast-tracked to porn Foley stardom. That's what guys want to hear. When they're, taking care of themselves, they want, maybe they want to take a look at it for a minute. They want to make sure they're doing their thing right. So in their ear, they got to have that constant, because there's one rule. I tell Gideon this all the time. There's one rule about porn Foley. And it's the most important rule you remember when you're doing porn sounds. It's not about making it sound real, right, Gideon?
No. Not about reality.
It's about making it sound how you want it to sound.
There it is. When you get in a good rhythm, you can really hear.
There's getting off, and then there's getting off. And I think I help people everywhere, guys and girls, get off. That's my assistant Gideon. He he's a jack of all trades. He does all kinds of different things, run out and get the products we need, and he also acts as, the skin. Sometimes you just need to hear something hitting skin, and that's why I don't let him wear a shirt ever. Well, I am straight.
Oh, yes. Very straight.
I'm straight, yeah.
Mr. Julius has been, I don't want to say a boss, because it's so much more than that. He's an inspiration daily, a mentor. He's more than words can express. He's a genius. It's like Michelangelo had an apprentice, and no matter how lowly the work seemed, it was for Michelangelo. So I don't mind any of the stuff that he has me do. I don't mind. It's a privilege.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, sir?
What the fuck is
Sir,
this?
that's for what I meant to say, sir, for my sandwich. That's not. I know it was in the prop closet, but
now,
Sir.
If we're making a delicious sandwich, Hellman's is the mayonnaise to go with.
Yes, sir.
Because it's a delicious mayonnaise.
Yes,
but
sir.
If we're trying to, make the sound intercourse, then I'm going to need some goddamn Miracle Whip.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now give me some goddamn Miracle Whip. And you know what? Make me a roast beef sandwich with this shit when you're done.
Yes, sir. That's what it was for, sir. That is just, that's how great he is.
My original thought was, if a guy just wants to, smack it around for a little while, he should have the right. If he can find it, then he should be able to use it. But then money started coming out of my pocket, People started saying, well, I can get that for free. Why am I going to go pay for the DVD? And I just think that's ridiculous. I work damn hard.
I'm the only person in the business doing this. This is the big finish. Guys ready? No one else does this sound.
Now I'm buying mayonnaise with money out of my pocket.
Oh, yeah.
There's movies with bad porn Foley, and there's movies I do.
That's the real deal. If you don't know what that is, man, you ain't never seen a porno. Stay where you are, boy.